Namaste everyone. Today we do whole body stretching with pranayam and meditation. So let's start. First to body warm up, whole body joint rotation. Grab your waist, rotate right ankle clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse wise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Leg change, rotate left ankle clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next with the knee rotation. Hold your knee while you bend knee, exhalation. Straight knee, inhalation. Bend knee, exhalation. Rotate knee clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax, grab your waist, shake your legs. Now next we do the hip rotation. Grab waist, rotate hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change direction while you go hips forward, inhale, hips backward, exhale. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Neck stretch, arm side, palm facing upward, bend elbow, rotate the elbow, inhale, elbow up, exhale, elbow down. Inhale, lift elbow, exhale, drop elbow. 2, 3, 4, 5. Change direction, anti-clockwise rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Next we do the 20 times open close finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now wrist rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now next we do the head stretching, neck stretching. Inhale, look left side. Exhale, look right side. Inhale, look left side. Exhale, look right side. Do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now next, inhale, look up. Exhale, look down with focus breath. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down like this. So you can rotate all the joints 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. But I rotate only 5 times because video can become long. So whole body joint rotation can be done 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, or as per your capacity. Okay? This is the whole body joint rotation. Now do some body warm up. 1, 2, while you open arms, open leg. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, open, close, exhale. This exercise do 10 times. Advanced can do 20 times. or as per your capacity. Next exercise, inhale, lift same arm down. Left arm, left leg. Right arm, right leg. Okay, and jumping. Relax. This also practice 10 to 20 times. Next we do twisting. Inhale, stretch arm. Exhale to side. Inhale, stretch arm. Exhale to side. Keep feet open, hip distance apart. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. After 10 times, exercise dynamic, then hold 5 breath right side. Inhale center, exhale hold 5 breaths left side. Inhale center, exhale samasthana. Now next we do the Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Join feet together, palm together. One inhale, hips forward, look up. Two exhale, bend forward, Padasana. Three inhale, right foot back, drop right knee ground, look up, ceiling. Four exhale, left foot back, look front, plank pose. Five inhale, drop knee, open knee widely, sit on heel. Exhale, rest on head, elbow ground. Shashank Asana, rabbit pose. 6 inhale, lift body, knee together. Exhale, keep your chin chest between your hands. Ashtang Namaskar. Inhale, lift your chest, roll back shoulder, cobra pose. Exhale, lift the hips up, press the hip, head down, Parvatasana, mountain pose. Inhale, stepping right foot forward, drop left knee ground, look up, ceiling, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. Exhale, left foot forward, head down, Padasana. Inhale, lift both hands, Hastottanasana. Exhale, join palm in front of chest. Second round, one inhale, bend backward, look up. Two exhale, bend forward, Padasana. Three inhale, left foot back, rest left knee ground, look up, ceiling. Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. 4 exhale, right foot back, look front, plank pose. 5 inhale, drop knee, exhale, rest body, Shashank Asana, rabbit pose. 6 inhale, lift body, exhale, knee together, touch chin chest between the hands, Ashtang Namaskar. 7 inhale, lift to chest, Bhujangasana. 8 exhale, lift the hips up, Parvatasana. 9 inhale, left foot forward, look up, Ashwa Sanchalan Asana. 10 exhale, right foot forward, join both feet, head down. 11 inhale, raise both hands, Hastottanasana. 12 exhale, join palm in front of chest. Relax. So you can do Surya Namaskar as per your capacity. You can do 6 round, 12 round, or as long as you feel comfortable. Now next thing, we do some standing asana with stretching. First open leg, 4 feet distance, means 1 leg distance. Inhale, stretch arm side. 10 times do the dynamic. Exhale, bend left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend right side. Look up down. 10 times inhalation, center. Exhalation, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold 5 breaths. Raise up your thumb. Holding time. Breathe normally. You can go more down. If you hold right side to keep right foot 90 degree, left foot 45 degree. Inhale, come center. Exhale, right foot 45 degree inside, turn left foot 90 degree, left side, look left, up your right foot. More advanced, can go more deep down. Side bend, Trikonasana. Inhale, come center. Exhale, Samasthiti. Next, we do some upward stretching, axial extension of spine. Tadasana. Inhale, lift both hands. Exhale, interlock finger, stretch arm. Inhale, stretch arm, lift to heel. 10 times. Practice this dynamic. Inhale, lift your hand, stretch arms. Exhale down. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then hold. You do 10 times, then hold. 5 to 10 breath, hold this position. Then relax. Release your heel, exhale, release arms. Relax. Next, we do some other leg stretching. Left leg back, right leg forward. First, we do dynamic. Inhale, bend backward, look up, front knee bend. Exhale, front knee straight, interlock finger, bend forward. 10 times do this dynamic. Inhale, bend backward, look up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, while you bend backward, front knee can be bent or straight also. Exhale, front knee straight, interlock finger behind arm, go down. Inhale, bend front knee, look up ceiling. Exhale, front knee straight, interlock finger behind, go down. So 10 times do this dynamic. Okay. After that, hold 5 breath, forward bend like this, stretch arms. Then hold 5 breath, backward bend. Hand can be together. Then relax. After that, side change. Start body left side. Repeat again, same. 10 times dynamic. Inhale, bend front knee, look up. Exhale, front knee straight. Bend forward, stretch arm over your head. Inhale, bend backward, front knee bend. Exhale, bend forward, interlock finger behind. So 10 times do this dynamic, then hold 5 seconds, backward, front knee bend, look up, or 5 seconds, forward. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Next thing, we do some standing twisting. From here, take your one leg back 4 feet distance. Bend your front knee 90 degree. Keep your chest or belly over your thigh. Place palm side of the foot. parts of Konasana and Parivarta parts of Konasana. We will combine both together. First in exercise. Inhale, lift right hand up, look up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift left hand up, look up to shoulder, exhale down. 10 times do this dynamic. Inhale, lift hands up, exhale down. Inhale, lift second hands up to exhale down. Make sure keep your back foot 45 degree, heel grounded and knee straight, completely roll thigh backward. Front knee 90 degree. Okay, 10 times like this dynamic. After that, hold 5 seconds both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Inhale, lift the second arms up, look up. Hold. 1. Holding time, natural breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, leg change like this, or you can turn also side. Leg change. Bend your front knee 90 degree. Keep your both chest, belly over thigh. Place palm side of the foot. Start. Inhale, lift hands up, look up, thumb. Exhale. Inhale, lift second hands up to shoulder, exhale. So 10 times do again. Dynamic. After that, hold 5 seconds each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Inhale, lift second hand to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down hands. Inhale, lift body. Exhale, relax. Samasthiti. Holding time, you can increase. If you are practitioner, you can hold 10 breath, 15 breath, 20 breaths. A beginner can hold 5 breaths or as long as you feel comfortable. Now next we do some other leg stretching with wall. Place one foot against the wall, keep it straight. 10 times do the dynamic form. Inhale, lift hands. Exhale, hold foot downward. Like this. Inhale, stretch arm overhead. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lift arm, stretch. Exhale, bend forward. After 10 times this, then hold 5 to 10 breaths. Like this. Then inhale, lift arm. Exhale, relax. Leg change. Inhale, lift hand, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, lift hand up, stretch. Exhale, bend forward. Okay. Again repeat 10 times, dynamic. After that, 5 to 10 breath hold. Constantly. Remember, holding time, keep your breath normally. Do not hold breath when you hold the asanas. The most important things, combine your breath with your mind and body. Breath make union between body and mind. So don't forget your breath. Become aware breath during practice asanas. Or the most important things, observe your breath and listen the sound of breath. This is the important things. Now next we do the leg stretching. Place leg like this side. Hold big toe. Inhale, lift right hand up, overhead. Exhale down. 10 times do this dynamic. Inhale, lift right hand up, overhead. Exhale down. After dynamic 10 times, hold as per your capacity. Minimum 5 seconds, maximum 20 seconds. Then repeat second cycle. Place your second foot against the wall. Inhale, lift left hand up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift hands up overhead. Exhale down. 10 times dynamic again. Then hold. Again 5 to 10 breath or as per your capacity. Relax. So these are the leg stretch. Next we do sitting. Everyone sit down. Vajrasana. Knee together. Touch your big toe together inside your sitting bone, your buttocks. From here do some relaxing asanas. Yug mudra. Fold finger. Put below of navel. Inhale, lift to chest. Exhale, relax your head ground. It is very beneficial for your digestion problems, acidity problem, gastric problems, constipation, because you are giving massage or gentle stretching in your abdomen. Relax, release hands. Next, you cross arm, lock your arms, grip elbow. Inhale, look up, lengthening spinal cord. Exhale, relax forehead ground. Inhale, come back, sit Vajrasana. Exhale, relax. Release leg. Shake your legs. Next, fold your left leg. Janu Sirsasana. Keep your both thigh perpendicular. Inhale, lift both hands, stretch overhead, look up. Exhale, bend forward, grip foot, open chest forward. Exhalation down. Hold 5 seconds or 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds as per your capacity. Inhale, lift both hands up, stretch, exhale, keep left hand behind the left hip joint, counter pose, lift hips up, arch back, look up, hold again 10 seconds or as long as you feel comfortable. Now relax, sit in Dandasana. Chain side, fold your right leg. Inhale, lift your both hands up, stretch overhead. Exhale, bend forward. Down head. Hold same length of time. Hold both sides same time. If you hold previous side 10 seconds, so hold this also 10 seconds. Inhale, lift both hands overhead. Exhale, place right palm behind the right hip joint. Lift the hips up, arch back, counter pose of Janu Sirsasana. Exhale, come back, relax, release leg, shake your legs. Paschimottanasana. Beginner, keep slightly knee bend initially, feet together. Inhale, lift your chest up, stretch arm overhead. Exhale, you can hold big toe, you can grab side of foot, or you can interlock finger. Lift your chest, lengthening spine. Exhale, down head, up, and you can try straighten your knee. Slowly, slowly straighten knee. Relax head. Hold as per your capacity, 5 to 10 breath. Natural breathing. Inhale, lift both hands up, stretch. Exhale, release hands. Now let's do some counter pose, camel pose. Open knee, hip distance apart, and stretch arms side first, like this. Rotate arms internally, then grab your heel, push hips forward, look up. Hold 5 to 10 breath. Remember holding time, breathe normally, and listen sound of breath the whole session. Inhale 1 by 1, lift head, exhale, relax. Release legs, sit in Dandasana. Shake legs. Next to the twisting, Ardha Matsyendrasana. Bend right knee, place right foot, left side of thigh. Bend left. Inhale, lift right hand. Exhale, place behind the back. Wrap this left arm over the knee. You can hold ankle or you can put arm inside the knee. Look right side. Twist your middle spinal cord. Inhale, look front. Exhale, release arms. Release your leg. Shake legs. Change side. Bend your left knee. Place left foot right side of thigh. Bend your right knee. Inhale, lift left hand. Exhale, place behind the left foot joint. Lift right arm and twist body left side. Wrap your right arm over the knee. Remember, hold both sides equal length of time. If you are holding 10 seconds, 5 seconds, so hold this side also 5 to 10 seconds. Or fix your time, holding time. You can fix according to your body capacity. Okay? Now release arm one by one. Release your leg. Relax. Sit in Dandasana. Let's do some arm balancing exercise, then asanas. Sit squat. From here, you can lift feet against wall at once like this. Then hold this L shape 5 to 10 breaths. Then relax. Beginner first do exercise. Body forward, backward. Extend arms, body forward. Exhale, backward. Inhale, body forward. Exhale, backward. After 10 times exercise, hold body forward. Advanced 10 push-up lines. Body forward and push-up.
Beginner hold with elbow straight, advanced hold with elbow fold, body fold. Relax. After that we do the Bakasana. Lift to heel, stand toes. Beginner student place the knee like this, outer side of tricep muscle. Touch your shin bone and your elbow both sides. Beginner student lift only heel, look front. Advanced can lift to both feet. Relax. More advanced student, they place this knee just inside the under armpit like this, and then go forward, body forward, elongate your head, lift your whole foot. Relax. Now next to do some other arm stretching and strengthening exercise and asanas, like this, finger pointing backward, openly, widely. More, put your hand inside thigh, exhale, bend elbow, down hand. Inhale, elbow straight, look up. Exhale, make sure, keep your finger pointing backward, hands little bit separate, 2 inch, 1 inch distance keep between your hands. Exhale, down hand, inhale, lift, keep you wider. After 10 times do this, then hold, look front. Advanced student, they do legs. First exercise, then hold. Relax, sit Vajrasana, shake arms. Next, we do prawn Sirijasanas. We do cobra pose, arms, spinal cord, stretching, back bending, and form. Lie down on your belly, feet together, feet together. Inhale, lift your chest, walk forward. Beginner student, they touch only chin with wall. Only chin. Advanced student, chin chest touch both with wall. More advanced flexibility students, lift arms also against wall. Hold, then slowly come back. Relax, child pose. Next we do reverse stretching. Opposite stretching of cobra pose. Locust Shalvasana. Like this, knee touch with wall. Lie down on your belly in Ashtang Namaskar. After that, lift both legs straight, one by one. Again, hold 5 to 10 breaths. Then slowly release your legs, move body forward. Then come back to child pose. Rest your forehead, arms ground. Inhale, come back. some supine series asanas. We do first Pavan Muktasana. Inhale, lift both legs up, straight. Exhale, bend your knee. Lift your head, wrap both arms over leg, chin touch knee. Toe spot stretching. Front. Now release your head first. Inhale, lift both legs straight. Exhale, slowly down your legs. Relax. Next, Sarvangasana. Inhale, lift both legs up, 90 degrees. Exhale, overhead. Inhale, lift both hips up. Stretch leg towards sitting stand. Then exhalation, slowly release your lower back first. Then release your legs very slowly. Now do the counter pose of Sarvangasana. I will show you counter pose of Sarvangasana. Fist feet together, or advanced can do lotus pose. First I will show you. First drop elbow ground, inside your back, lift your chest, ground head. Or you can give round block under the middle spinal or cervical. So it becomes easy. Then lift head, relax. Advance can do first lotus pose. After that, press the elbow, hold your thigh, open chest, ground head. Then straight knee, lift both leg 45 degree, arms 45 degree. Keep your arms leg parallel. Exhale, release leg, release head. Relax Savasana basically. After that, we do the lumbar stretching. Markatasana. Inhale, lift right leg up, straight. Exhale, bend right knee 90 degree. And keep this right leg left side. Roll your waist left side. Inhale, stretch right arm, right side, then exhale, hold. This asana can be hold 20 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Because it is relaxing asana and very comfortable twisting asana. Inhale, come back, lift right leg up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift the left leg up, straight. Exhale, bend left knee, side change. Twist body, shoulder, opposite side of the hips. Place left knee, right side, stretch left arm, left side. Same length of time as you hold previous side, so same time this side. Inhale, come back, stretch left leg up. Exhale down, relax. Now 10 minutes, totally rest body, Savasana. Keep your whole body loose, totally relax. And slow down your breath, cool down your body, keep eyes closed comfortably. Here you can lie down unconsciously, or you can concentrate your whole body part, each and every muscles, joints. You can move your consciousness inside your body, observe your internal body part and all the systems. Or you can focus your breath. 10 minutes, totally rest. Disconnect your mind from this external world or thinking. Keep your mind free from everything, from your thought. Keep your mind free from your desire, anything. Just relax. Only totally relax. After 10 times relaxing Shavasana, turn